Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is some different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Axio Work.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Professor Crypto!
Professor Crypto! Best content creator!
Professor Crypto!
Now today, guys, I want to talk to you about something that I think could become one of the biggest technology narratives of the next few years. AI agents, automation, and the autonomous workflows. If you've been following both AI and crypto recently, you've probably noticed a major shift that's happening. We're moving beyond AI that simply helps us think. We're entering a new stage where AI can actually help us execute work. As a content creator, guys, I spend a huge amount of time consuming information across both crypto and AI. New startups, emerging narratives, deep-in projects, fundraising rounds, token launches, and market trends. Keeping up with all of this is basically part of my daily routine, guys. But over time, I realized something. I was collecting all of this valuable information every day, yet most of it would eventually disappear into bookmarks, tabs, or notes that I'd never revisit. So I started thinking, guys, what if I could turn all of that research into an actual product? That's when I decided to launch a crypto and AI newsletter, something that could be regularly sharing market insights, industry trends, and potential opportunities with subscribers. At first, guys, I thought it would be pretty straightforward. Do the research, write the newsletter, send it out, and then boom, done. But once I started thinking seriously about building a newsletter business, I realized that writing wasn't actually the hardest part. The real challenge was running it consistently and maintaining quality over time. I've already spent hours every day following crypto and AI news, reading research reports, tracking project updates, and analyzing market developments. But if you want to create a newsletter that people genuinely find it valuable, simply consuming information is not enough, guys. Essentially, what you have to do is gather the information, organize it, connect the dots between different events, understand what's actually important, and then form your own perspective. Only then can you turn all of that into a newsletter that's worth reading. Tools like ChatGPT are already incredibly powerful when it comes to writing and content creation. But the most time-consuming part of a newsletter isn't the writing. It's everything that happens before the writing, guys. Collecting information, verifying information, analyzing information, building a thesis. And when you're juggling multiple AI tools, another problem appears. You're constantly switching between platforms, copying content around, syncing information, and trying to keep everything organized. The workflow becomes fragmented very quickly. So I decided to try Axio Work. What stood out to me is that it doesn't just give you another AI tool, guys. It allows you to organize multiple AI agents into an actual team. So I built a team based on the newsletter workflow itself. Instead of relying on one AI to do everything, I assigned different responsibilities to different agents. Most importantly, guys, I put them all inside the same agent team. That means they aren't working independently, they're collaborating within a single workflow, guys. To test the team, I asked them to research the biggest developments from the previous 7 days across crypto and artificial intelligence. A few moments later, they generated a complete crypto and AI sector research report. The report highlighted major stories like the SEC Strategic Point 2030, Microsoft unmetered agentic AI initiative, NVIDIA's AI chip export restrictions, and several other important developments. From there, guys, the team analyzed how these events connected together and identified a broader trend. Their conclusion was that unrestricted AI agents and tokenized real-world assets are beginning to merge into a self-managing 24/7 financial ecosystem. And based on that thesis, they drafted the entire newsletter for me. What I found especially interesting was the role of the team lead agent. It functions almost like a project manager, guys. It breaks down tasks, assigns work, tracks progress, and coordinates outputs between the agents. Even after the newsletter was complete, it organized cross-checks between agents to help ensure consistency, accuracy, and clarity. This part was incredibly valuable for me because the truth is, guys, I'm not a newsletter operator. I know how to research crypto, I know how to spot opportunities, but building long-term content systems, maintaining quality, and creating sustainable growth processes isn't necessarily my expertise. What surprised me was that this agent team felt less like software and more like having an always-on operations team. Not only did they help execute tasks, but they also contributed ideas, analysis, and strategic recommendations. Once the newsletter was finished, another question came up. How do I actually get in front of people? So I connected Axio Work directly to my Gmail account, and at that point, the team lead agent began coordinating the growth agent and branding the agent. They worked together to create email subject lines, improve the structure of the newsletter, and build an end-to-end distribution workflow. Once everything was ready, the system automatically formatted and distributed the newsletter through Gmail. And the best part is that the process can be repeated, guys. The entire workflow can generate, prepare, and publish future newsletters on a recurring schedule. Not long after sending it out, people started opening the newsletter, and honestly, that was one of the most rewarding moments because it was the first time I felt like this idea had become something real. It wasn't just a concept anymore, it was an actual business processing running in the world. I've used a lot of AI tools, guys, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexly. They're all great, but most of them still operate at the information layer. What impressed me here wasn't a single feature, it was the complete workflow. Instead of managing tasks, I was managing outcomes, and to me, that's where AI is headed, not just helping people think, helping people execute as well. If you guys want to see what it's like to build your own AI-powered workflow, check out Axio Work using the link in the description. Start with an idea, guys, build your own agent team, and see what happens when AI evolves from a chart tool into an execution system.
This don't miss. No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Huddle Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.